Namaskar, I am Tanmay De. Welcome to Sanchoita. In this video, I am going to show you outlines of countries. Now, be ready. Okay, number 1, Afghanistan. F G N circle T N hook. Bangladesh. B N K L D circle S. China. J N. Maldives. M L half V circle S. Myanmar or Burma. M N M R. Burma B R M. Nepal. N P L. Pakistan. P K circle T N hook. Sri Lanka. Circle upward R, downward L N K. Or you can write circle upward R, downward L N hook K. Australia. Stroke S T R L. Brunei. B R cross the line N. Fiji. F J. Indonesia. N half N downward is. Japan. J P N hook. Laos. L circle S. Malaysia. M L stroke S. Nauru. N upward R U. New Zealand. N U. New stroke S cross the line L half N U. Or you can write N circle downward L half N U. New Zealand. Okay. North Korea. NR ETH KR. North Korea. Next next one, Papua New Guinea. P double N U G N. Philippines. F L P N S circle. Samoa. Circle M A. Singapore. Circle N G P R. South Korea. Circle ETH KR. Thailand. ETH upward L half N hook. Or you can Thailand. Okay. Vietnam. V of N M. Antigua and Barbuda. N T G and B R double D. Argentina. Upward R J. Upward R J N half N. Or you can write upward R J half N hook N. Barbados, BR double D circle S. Belize, BL circle S. Brazil, BR circle L. Canada, KND. Colombia, K downward L M. Cuba, KB. Jamaica, JMK. Mexico, MK circle K. Nicaragua, NKR double. Panama, PNM. Paraguay, P upward G. Next country, Trinidad and Tobago, TRN D half and TB gay. United States, Y cross the line, N T half, still loop T circle S. Or you can write N line big circle T half, United States, T circle S. Next, Venezuela, VNJL. Austria, STR. Czech Republic, JK upward P double. Denmark, DN MRK. Estonia, stroke S half N. France, FRN circle S. Germany, JRMN. Greece, GR circle S. Iceland, I stroke S L half N hook. Ireland, I downward L half N hook. Italy, T upward L. Luxembourg, LK circle M BR G. Netherlands, N double downward L half N hook circle S. Norway, NR W. Russia, upward is. Okay. Next country, Spain, circle P N hook. Sweden, big circle D N hook. Switzerland, big SWR circle upward half N hook. Okay. Ukraine, Y cross the line KR N hook. United Kingdom, Y cross the line NT half K N D M. Vatican City and the Holy See, VTK hook, circle T cross the line and TKHL stroke S. European Union, Y cross the line P N hook N hook intersection, European Union. Armenia, downwater MN. Bahrain, B cross the line, upward H double N hook. Egypt, J cross the line, P half. Iran, downwater cross the line, N hook. Israel, stroke S, upward downward L. Lebanon, L B N hook. Oman, M N hook. Palestine, P L circle T N hook. Saudi Arabia, circle D downwater B. Syria, circle upward across the line. Turkey, TRK. United Arab Emirates, A Y cross the line, N T half, downwater B, M upwater half circle S. Arab states of the Persian Gulf, downwater B, ST loop T circle S, of the P upwater circle N, GL F hook. Kazakhstan, KJK circle T N hook. Next, Mongolia. Next, Tajikistan. Next, Kyrgyzstan. Next, Turkmenistan. TRMN circle TN. Uzbekistan, JBK circle TN. Burundi, B upward ND. Next, Comoros, KM upward circles. Ethiopia, ETH. Gabon, GBN hook. Ghana, GN. Ivory Coast, IV upward K ST loop. Kenya, KN. Lesotho, L circle ETH. Liberia, LB upward. Mauritania, M upward half N. Mauritius, M upward East circles. Morocco, M upward K. Mozambique, M circle M K U. Namibia, N M B. Nigeria, NJ upward. Rwanda, upward W N D. Seychelles, circle J L, big circle. South Sudan, circle E, circle D N. Sudan. Togo, T G. Uganda, U G N D. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find my videos are useful to you. Please take care. Bye.